So till now, what we have completed is we have created a database in which in that database we have created one table name users in which we are going to store these values like that. Now, so now our database is ready. Now our application will contact the database. But one question arises that the application will contact with database, right? But with the help of whom? So here we are introducing a new package that is a repository. So what is this repository? So this repository will responsible for communicating with the database. You can think it is a bridge between our application and a database. So let's see what code can we write in it. So now in that repository, we are creating one interface. You have to go in this and just type user repository. And at this time, we have to select interface. We can see now we can see this is a interface. Basically, an interface is a blueprint that declares what methods are available. But now how they are implemented. So let's see. Now we have to explain to you with a JPA repositories and we and here we are passing. We will see what it is. First I have to type it. Okay. Now first we have to understand what is a JPA repository. So JPA repository is provided by Spring Data JPA. So it is already contains some common database operation like save a record or find a record or get all record. So we can uh, connect to our project such that if we have to save our details, that means we have to save user details. So how to save this will or this is already declared in this. So we don't have to write any detailed queries here. So we have to just mention which method we are going to use from this JPA repository. So in this project, we are going to use two queries. First is, so let's see with one example that JPA repository will already contain some queries. Now I have declared here optional. It will return optional user, and we are creating for a find by email, passing the email string. So after writing, what happens is behind the scenes, Spring automatically generates some SQL query related to find by email, like select star from user where email is equals to this email. So we don't have to write those queries manually. It will automatically generated by this. Now you can notice here that I have mentioned here optional. So optional means a user may or may not be exit. If a user with the email is found, it return the user. But it is if it is not there, then it will return a null. And that's it. And then we have also now this function will return us if it is found by email, then all user data, and if not found, then none. But we have to keep track that uh, if the email exists or not. So for that extra, we have used this. So now that's we have done with our user repository. One thing that we have missed is that we have to declare a repository here. Now our Spring Boot will understand this is a repository.